Chengli High Altitude 21 meters insulation arm operation process. Start the vehicle. Step on the clutch. Turn on the power takeoff. Release the clutch. Open the leg operation box at the rear of the vehicle. 5-leg operating lever. Push the 4 right-hand operating rods inward and the first one on the left inward. Extend the horizontal legs. Push the right for outward and the first one on the left inward. Extend the vertical leg. After the legs are extended, check if the vehicle is level. Push the oil circuit valve inward. Operate the boom oil circuit. Power switch. Upper electronic control operation. Lower basket operation. Engine start-stop. Adjust the throttle size. Warning light switch. Emergency pump switch. Force operation switch. Emergency stop. 1 arm takeoff and landing. 2 arms takeoff and landing. Telescopic arm extension. 360 rotation of the upper arm. Open the power switch for the basket operation. Wait for 30 seconds. Engine start and stop. Throttle size adjustment. Hook fast and slow speed adjustment. Emergency stop. 1 arm takeoff and landing. Up and down arms takeoff and landing. Left and right telescopic arms. 360-degree rotation of boom. Small swing arm rotates left and right. Hook rope up and down. Working buckets up and down. Working bucket rotation. Hook operation control. Hook unified. The hook is unified and operated up and down with the rod. Hook arms up and down. Hoist rope up and down. Hook arm rotation. Operation completed. Retract the boom. Push the oil circuit valve outward. Operate the leg oil circuit. Retract the vertical legs first, then retract the horizontal leg. Step on the clutch. Turn off the power takeoff. Release the clutch.